Nabot tayo ng ulan. May payong na tayo. Nakapagpagupit na rin ako. Di ko na nasama sa vlog. Ayun lang. Dagdag ko lang. See you in my next vlog. Bye! Hello Judgers, it's me, it's Jeremy. Welcome to my channel. Now we usually start our vlogs sa mga airport or kung saan man sa kotse. But for this trip, I think sisimulan natin siya with this. That was a good starter for our Chianti episode. This episode is also special kasi nga special day rin namin to ni John. So sana ay subaybayan nyo ang episode na to on how this will go. So we just arrived Borgo Castelvecchi. Ayan. So we're here. So,
hello, hello!
ngayon nag-repack na sila. Hi! So, this is our suite. Wow, suite.
Hi, welcome to our room, to our suite. Because I'm so sweet. Kaya nasa suite tayo.
Ano to? What do you call this?
A fireplace. Welcome, this is the couch. This is the fireplace where we place the fire. This is the cabinet where you place the caps and all the food na mainit, so cabinets. This is our dining table. This is the kitchen. There's a small ref. There's a microwave. So we have 2 rooms in the suite. This is the receiving area. This is the main suite. It's a very quaint. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng quaint, pero bahala na. Walang aircon dito, malamig talaga, pang mayaman. And this is the second room where our best man and this is toilet. This is toilet.
Toilet.
There you go.
Buongiorno, Judgers and Jerry Bears, and our first guest to arrive ay sila Tatay and our Kuyas. Kuya Henry, hello.
Hello.
Ciao, Kuya
Hello.
Faye. Tatay.
Hello.
Busy agad sa kusina. Yeah, so wedding preps are in order. Everyone's busy. Tara, libutin natin yung Borgo. Sample ng room. Tapos ito yung madalat na nila sa kwarto. Di ba, Joy?
Yes.
Ano laman yan? Can you explain?
We have chips, cookies, and cheese, cream cheese, and
Ano pa?
Mamamatay.
Wine glass.
white glass, and
Chips, cookies. And meron kami yung magazine namin. Ayun yung magazine namin.
Aquafana.
Oh.
Aquafana water.
Oh. So, ganyan yung madadat na nila. Meron din na toiletry bag. Ayan. Ngayon ko na lang din kinukunan lahat kasi I'm sure for the coming days mabibusy na. Oh. So, ito naman yung room ng ibang guests natin. I think this is Lorene's, Miggy's, and Vince. Ito naman. Ito yung room natin. Siya talaga yung punong abala. Ito yung living area nila Ate Mai. No, then straight to the kitchen. Ang cute ng fireplace nila. So much character. Ramdam mong nasa medieval place ka talaga. And then, ito yung room nila Ate Maylene. So, tumulong na rin tayo sa pag-aayos ng mga welcome kit, welcome basket, or welcome bag. Manage na rin natin yan. So, pwede kayo mag-scan. Yan. Scan for the memes. Uploaded photos are gems. Galing ah. Ang galing ng mga puns and yung mga rhyme. I wonder kung sino nagsulat niyan. So even the wine glasses are personalized. May name. Ayan. It's Alex. Ayan. So I think dumating na ibang mga guests. Buongiorno! Shadi!
Hello!
Ano yung titignan mo?
Yung view.
Uy! Hindi yung sinabi mo kanina.
Hindi, yung view ang sinasabi ko kasi 3 araw tayo dito lahat, di ba syempre. So titignan mo yung view, namin yung view. Tsaka yung mga tao, yung mga ano, syempre kasama ng view, yung mga staff. Ang gagwapo ng mga staff dito. Ang gagwapo ng mga staff dito.
Ijon Sigera.
Dito na sila, Giant Angelo. Saan sila? Buongiorno! Hi! Magkano po yung ano, yung uba?
Ito po parang 20 lang po per kilo. Benta namin. So, requirements 1, valid ID lang. Government issued. And then, bank certificates, 3 months. And of course, ganda. Hindi ko sure kung kaya niyo yung last.
Grabe siya!
Ano to?
Over. Ang bango po talaga, guys.
Hi!
Hi!
Wow, yan, okay na siya. Kanina kasi dire-diretso.
Currently,
What's happening?
we're dying to see the dying hair.
The dyeing of the hair.
The dying of the hair.
Yeah. And
Because she's really sensitive. That's why we use organic.
okay.
We're all organic. Yan.
So don't panic
Because
because
it's organic.
yeah.
Yeah. And then the forehead, merong ano.
Kasama yun, gagawin nga siya ng bangs.
Oh my God, don't touch my skin.
Ah.
Ay, sorry po. Okay, touch my skin.
Yeah.
Sorry pala.
Yeah.
Nakting! Nakting! Dubai.
Uy! Kaka-Dubai lang namin.
Ay, alam ba? Sorry.
Oh.
John's middle name, Sovetskaya.
Ayan. Correct.
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 Absolutely right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good. Okay.
Jeremy's fashion style.
None.
So. Okay, first out of the country date location. This is so easy. Slums of Tondo.
Correct.
John's favorite food. Oh my God, blip this.
Correct.
Correct. Okay, this is so nice.
Gusto ko pag tumatawa kang ganyan.
Jeremy's middle name. Sharapov. So, Jeremy Sharapov. I know favorite ni Sir John na country. Suriname. Suriname.
Hindi. Oh my God. Ano yan?
Kuchuri.
Ano yan?
Libo sa banga.
So, galing kasi heated yung pool. Mainit. Yan. Very warm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome here at Laguna.
Yeah.
So, meron tayong
Heated pool.
hot spring.
Yan. Feel mo. Mainit siya. Yan. Uy.
Malamig. Jega ka talaga.
Tray.
Tapos dito na yung ulo mo.
Ipit.
Para saan ba to?
Ano ka ba? Ano yan?
Ano ba to?
Ano talaga yan? Kasi ganito yan.
Sige, ano yan?
Ano yan? Yung pag, di ba, yung bigas ilalagay mo dito. Gagano. Hindi ba? Mali.
Ito yung
Oh.
sa mga Mindanao, yung tapos i-weave mo.
Hindi yan ganun. Ano ka ba? Gagano mo muna yan, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos yan. Tapos, magpa-plancha ka ng ganun.
Ay, kabayo! Taray!
Ano ba kasi yan?
Diyos ko, ito, di ba galing tayo Roma?
Oh.
Bless me. Sorry.
Hindi confession booth yan. Mali! Ano ka ba?
Sa pelikula tayo. Tapos mamayang gabi may isa-isang we're here. Let's go.
Donita! Prepping now. Hello.
Yeah, we're prepping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So siya, no? Wala yung G, prepping.
Yeah, prepping. Kasi you have to remove the gerund. The letter G in the gerund, ING. If you're socialite, prepping. Yeah. And later on, we will eat some sinain. Yes.
What else?
And we don't go swimming.
What do you do?
We're just walking. I'm afraid of swimming kasi baka merong paten.
Grabe, sobrang saya kagabi. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa welcome dinner. Yeah. Morning, here in Chianti, in Borgo Castelvecchi. Good morning, good morning. Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Hi, buongiorno.
Buongiorno, mahal.
Buongiorno and forever.
Hashtag. On our way to, pinag-iwalay na kami. So this part of the Borgo, it's really not open for guests, but binuksan nila para sa atin. But for me, this will be my shooting and prep area. So, kakatapos lang shoot natin dito sa living room ng Borgo sa second floor. And now, nakabahan na kasi ako. I have my vows, it's right here. Yan. So, kinakabahan ako. Gusto mong sabihin ko ngayon sa camera. Practicein natin. Kaso baka maiyak ako mamaya na lang. Anyway, see you in a bit, Jennifer.
Is it you?
Ayan. So, tapos na kami sa shoot namin. Ayan. So, are you ready?
Yes, of course.
They say, when we were born, there's a red string tied on us. That there's an invisible red thread that connects them to the people they are destined to meet and be connected to in their lives. I think that invisible red thread became the shortest when I met this person at the running tracks in Ortigas. I remember vividly, he was stretching in his tight running shorts, sweaty and of course, being low-key sexy. And I was running. I was running until I saw him stretching, and the rest is history. From there, it wasn't all fun and butterflies. Matter of fact, we fought more when we were just starting our relationship. I guess that's really the way things are when you're both opposites of each other. There are even fights that made me think maybe I should have kept running in that oval track instead. But just like our infinity symbol, I know I'm still going to end up back in your arms. I know God made us for each other and we are meant to be together, no matter how different we are from each other. But it was with our difference that I got to know you better, how my heart grew fonder of you with each passing year. I have grown to love you and every little thing about you, Jennifer. Like the sound of your snore, it used to annoy me, but now it's like music to my ears, a white noise that helps me fall asleep. The way you say, okay lang yan para hindi ka magka-dementia. For context, kwento ko na lang later. From our endless FaceTime calls to being beside you in bed. The way you would always prepare my vitamins after we eat lunch. The way you smile when you're about to crack a joke or when you're about to start acting. Ngumiti ka lang or mag-smirk, alam ko na yung gusto mong sabihin. The way you tell me stories of your core memories, that even how many times you tell them over and over, I would listen with so much fondness as if it's the first time I am hearing it. One story in particular that I like was, when you were a kid, you would always stand in front of a mirror and act like Vilma or Nora or your favorite star, Sharon. You always wanted to be a star. Totoo yan. And in your mind, that didn't come into fruition anymore. But you're wrong. It did come true. Kasi you're the star of my life.
Si Tatay. Si Padir. Siya pa namumuna talaga eh.
Speaking of dreams, you always wanted to be a doctor. That you had to let go because of certain life circumstances. That only shows how much you put others' need first before your own. But looking at the bigger picture, it worked out in your favor. Not only are you the great provider in your family and loved ones, but now one of the best events company in the Philippines. You're not just a boss, but a man that leads with heart. I only ever wanted a simple wedding. Then I suddenly remembered how a Jennifer Santos executes simple. So now we're here in Tuscany. How blessed are the people around you to be able to experience this heart of yours. From your family, your workmates, friends, and especially I. Thank you for your existence. I will keep choosing you in every lifetime, Mahal. And I hope we find each other in every lifetime. No matter what we come back as, even if that means I get reincarnated as a dog, and you, still human, and we're still meant to be together. At least I would get a version of Jennifer that loves animals. And likewise, every version of me will love every version of you, unconditionally. And now we are here, almost a decade after. Jennifer, we've had our fair share of ups and downs. We have been through a lot. Probably the one that broke you the most was the loss of Nanay. That was the toughest year, and I made sure to never leave your side. Because I know that's when you needed me the most. Speaking of never leaving our side, it was only until the pandemic that we were forced to live together or live in. because of quarantine rules and measures.
Strict parents ko.
Bawal lumabas, pero it was during these times, dito ko mas lalong nailabas yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo. And our bond got even stronger. Throughout our 9 years together, akala ko ikaw lang ang mundo ko. But you made it so much vast that it expanded to knowing and loving your family. That is now my family too. Kita may Kuya Henry, lahat po kayo. Kuya Pei, Alex, Eliza, Chanel, Ate Che. Sabi ko naman, sino ba hindi ko nasabi?
Hey.
Kuya Pei, Ate Che, Kuya Rico, of course. New friendships and of course rekindled ones as well. Mahal, I vow to hold your hand and give you my shoulders every time you break down in secret. I vow to love you, to always love you, even on days when you're grumpy. I vow to understand you and not be mad when I talk to you and you're always on your phone. I vow to love you with all my heart and soul. And I commit to love you more and more each day. I am looking forward to spend the rest of my life with you, Jennifer. And I will always choose you in this lifetime or the next. Sheila Cosa Piubella, Kemi Kapitata, Nella Vita.
Ano daw? Patatas. Mahilig ka sa patatas.
Sheila Cosa Piubella, Kemi Kapitata, Nella Vita.
Okay.
You're the most beautiful thing that happened to my life. I love you.
Hindi sa lips.
Mamaya sa lips.
Okay. Ako na.
Ito.
But this time, since we're really a different person, tayo nyo.
Ilang pages ba yan?
30.
11?
Okay.
Mahal, mine, Jeremiah. Thank you for making my dream come true. Alam mo naman na I've been so proud and loved. Ikaw yung dream guy ko. Sabi ko kay Lord, bigyan mo naman ako ng sincere, mabait, ang pagmahal sa pamilya, saka mamahalin yung family ko. Kasi my family is my life. Pero si God, sobrang bait. Tinodo niya. Binigyan ako ng isang pogi, celebrity chef pa. Kaya, mahal. Sana po kang magpabago. Kasi doon kita minahal. Yung mahal na mahal ba yung family ko. And lahat nag-umpisa yon nung nakita ko yung billboard nyo ni Mama. Sabi ko dun sa billboard, pag lumingon to, akin to. Hindi naman siya lumingon kasi billboard yun, di ba? Ako na lang po lumingon. Kaya, ayun, inangkin niya ako. Eme. That first meeting in Ultra, sabi ko, ang pogi. That first exchange of messages on IG, wow, witty sa matalino. Pasok. That first after gym date in Coffee Bean Katipunan, ang sexy. That first out of the country, doon ko naramdaman napaka-caring niya na tao. That first meeting of my family is so respectful. That first kiss in London, shut up. That first thank you, sobrang appreciative na po. That first I love you, sobrang kinilig ako. That first sorry, sobrang heartfelt. That first gift, you're so generous, mahal. Mahal, thank you. All the first, lahat ng first. Ikaw lang yung boyfriend and partner na nagbigay sa akin ng real, sincerest, and true love. And from the bottom of my heart, mahal, salamat. Mahal na mahal kita. Salamat dahil akala ko nung time na naging tayo, iiwanan ko na yung sports ko na gusto. Hindi pala, kasi sinamahan mo ko. I run, ikaw yung pacer ko. Ikaw yung bumabalanse pag sobrang grabe na yung speed sa buhay ko. Ikaw yung nag-look after me pag may mga pit stop sa buhay ko na kailangan kong daanan at kailangan kong may matutunan. I swim, pero lumangoy ka sa sinagip mo ko sa lahat ng masasakit na experiences ko at pinalitan mo ng saya. I bike, yes. You ride with me sa lahat ng jokes, katituhan, kabaliwan ko, umangkas ka. Sinakyan mo din ako, di ba? Mahal, salamat. And I promise na lulutuan kita kahit di ako marunong magluto ng masasarap na recipe ng buhay. I promise to be the salt or sugar when you feel like ang tabang ng mundo sa'yo. Ako magbibigay ng lasa sa buhay mo. I promise to be your sinigang. Laging may asin. Because you're always sinigang for me. Habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap. I promise to be menudo. Laging handa. Because you are a menudo for me. Habang iniinit, mas sumasarap. I promise to be a ginisang ampalaya. Kahit anong pait sa buhay man, o kahit ano pa man, lulunukin ko para sa'yo. So, mga bashers, huwag ampalaya. Char. I promise to be a spaghetti. Your favorite. Because you are my favorite person also. Mahal ko, I promise to love you until mapanis na ako. Pero gagawin kong buro para ang asim, kakainin mo pa rin. Mahal, dessert na tayo. You are my Mr. Right. Ikaw ang naglagay ng icing sa cupcake ko. Kaya mahal, ikaw at ako sa anumang luto ng buhay, sa anumang pagdadaanan natin magpakailanman. I promise that I'll be here for you. Hashtag Wenger now and forever. I love you. I love you. I love you.
So that was the wedding ceremony. Hindi ko na video using my GoPro. But yeah, I guess mag-rely na lang tayo sa mga kuha ng mga kaibigan natin. Sana na-enjoy nyo kahit na naka-vertically ibang format ng videos. Ayan. I think this is the highlight of the wedding. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Yay! this was where it happened. As you can see, ayan, dito kami kinasal. Ayan, where we said our vows. Sakto pa sunset. Ayan. So, meron ding paint by numbers. Ayan. And luckily, we got Old Press to do some of our photos here in Chianti, here in Borgo. So this is how it looks like. Hello! Ciao! Yeah, so these are the photos. Yeah. Oh, is this mine?
Yes!
Okay, thank you. I'll get this one. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Hi, Krisha.
Hello.
Thanks for taking care of us.
Of course, anytime.
Such a good team. You guys.
Hey, what is
Salamat. Grazie mille.
Prego.
Wow! Very local, ha? Change outfit na kami. So, from Francis Libiran suit, we're moving to Odilon's Impulse suit. We're doing wine red para pag natapunan ng wine, walang chismis. Hindi kita. Hi. So, we're off to dinner na. This is it. Party starts now.
Lafang, lafes. Oh, baka nga mo.
Say hi.
Hi.
First dish, this is risotto, truffle risotto. So as you all know, truffle is quite famous here in Italy, especially in Tuscany. Yeah. Specifically Tartufo Nero or black truffles. They grow in the summer mostly, sometimes in the cold too. But wala nang pinipiling season for a truffle craving.
So matagal hindi nagka-baby ang mama at papa. Nakasingit kami ni Jeremiah. So kami yung laging magkasama ng mga bata kami. In fact, lagi kami magkaaway noon.
Yes, sobra.
Diba?
Sobra. Oo.
Siguro isa ako sa mga unang nakarecognize na he belongs to the community.
Huy!
Kahit ayaw maniwala ng nanay at tatay ko, ako, aware ako. Okay? But I think hindi naman natin pinag-awayan yan, tol. No? Never namin pinag-awayan yun. More often, kaya kami nag-aaway dahil I'm a warrior. He's the bully.
Huy!
Okay?
Hindi totoo yan. Hindi totoo yan.
Totoo. Warrior talaga ako.
Kwento mo yung winish mo habang buntis ang mama.
I wished for a, baby brother. Kasi nga, 4 na kaming lalaki eh. kumontra ako, I wish for a baby brother. So we had both. Diba?
Pinagbigyan pareho.
Binigbigyan kami parehas. To our bunso, although I can't be there in person to celebrate this incredible day with you, please know that my heart is with you every step of the way. Watching you grow and now take this significant step into marriage fills me with immense pride and joy. You and John are embarking on a beautiful journey together, and I have no doubt that your love will continue to flourish and inspire those around you. May your wedding day be filled with laughter, love, and unforgettable moments. Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness, understanding, and endless adventures. Congratulations on your special day. With all my love, we have had. Also swelling the kids.
Canada.
Also wishing you a happy and loving married life. Adventure together. Cheers. Love you, my brother.
Cheers.
Na kanina mo, hindi ako maiyak.
Dahil?
Actually, napaluwa ako nung nakita ko yung picture ng papa. That photo was taken during our
Wedding.
first wedding.
Oo.
First wedding. Kasi 2 beses na kami nagpakasal ng asawa ko.
Nung first time pa lang na nakita ko si Chef, naramdaman ko na ito na yung matagal namin inaantay. Nababalik dun sa saya nung hero namin. Kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, hinahatid ko yan sa 17th floor, lasing na lasing.
Ayan.
Pero that time, iba yung saya ni Kuya. Sabi ko, mukhang ito na. The next day, bakla, pumunta ka ng Katipunan sa gym. So ako naman, syempre, Diyos ko, support nga, di ba? Gusto kong maging masaya yung boss ko. Nauna pa ako sa mag-gym. Inabangan ko sa Fitness First sa Katipunan si Chef para magdala. Ha?
Gold's Gym.
Gold's Gym ba yun?
Walang Fitness First doon. Ano ba yan?
Wala, nabago na. Another, nagulat na naman siya. Ay, grabe. Hindi pa rin ako nagpa-picture. Siyempre, nahiya pa ako eh. Pangatlong beses, bakla, nagpa-reserve ako ng table sa Raven Manila. Magdala ka ng balloons. May dala akong balloons, pinaset up pa, pinagawa ko sa National Bookstore. So imagine, pupunta ako ng bar, may mga balloons akong dala. May kasama pang foreigner si Chef, ang pogi ng foreigner. So marami siyang kasama. So nahiya na naman ako, andun sila Jack that time. Inabot ko yung bulaklak, tapos nakita yung balloons. Lumabas yung pangalan ni Chef Jeremy Pabia doon, Happy Birthday!
Hindi ko naman birthday.
Hindi naman niya birthday. Diba? And habang tumatagal, nakita ko, unti-unti, nawawala siya. Sa iba siguro, nakikita nila na nawawala yung wall. Kasi hindi yung tipo ni Chef na basta-basta magkikwento sa'yo eh. Hindi siya yung tipo ng tao na chichika sa'yo agad-agad ng tungkol sa kanya and everything. Pero nakita ko yung nagtiwala siya agad sa akin. Next event na sinundan ko si Chef is sa market na. Kasi si Kuya naman alam na ng lahat kung anong klase si Kuya John.
Ano?
Eh di na Disney Princess Kuya. Pakaganda. November. Sabi ni Kuya John, puntahan mo si Chef, magkagalit kami. Pinuntahan ko sa market. Nauna ako nagpakita. Nagde-demo siya ng gardenia. Tapos pagtapos yung bumaba, sabi ko, Chef Yossi, tayo sa gilid. Pentuhan kami. Magta-Thailand kami noon eh. November.
Hindi na ako sama nun.
Maya-maya, dumating na yung buong pamilya. Si Kuya John, si Ate Maylin. Diba yung mga kids? Wala nang nagawa si Chef. Umuo na siya. So natuloy na ang sinasabi na Phuket